Alright guys, it's finally here. It's a pretty small package. But inside here should be another box, of course. But inside this box should be the M3D Micro 3D printer. Wow, what a small unit. Peel some of this tape off here. This is the unit. Two rolls of filament here. White pearl and onyx black. That's kind of weird. I thought I had switched the white pearl for clear. Okay though. We've got a USB cable and a power cable. I didn't order much, I just ordered the printer and some filament, so M3D branded, and it is 5 volts, 4 amps. It's not too much power. Let's get a closer look at this for you guys. So this is the actual printer. There's tape everywhere from packaging. Things seem to be secured in here pretty good, actually. Here in the sides we see they got gantry clips that are 3D printed. I might have forgot to turn my phone off. I'm not 100% sure how to take these clips off. Oh, there we go. They just slide up. So apparently these are the first things my printer's ever printed. Such a small unit, that's so cool. I'm gonna get this thing hooked up to the computer, and we'll be back. it's done. Let's get this off the bed and let's take a look. Okay guys, so here we have our first print. I'm gonna grab my scraper and I'm going to try and pop this off the bed here. I'll move you guys over a bit. I'm gonna try and get the corner under it. And there we go. One print. The raft should come right off here. Maybe not. Looks like I might have to tinker with the raft settings a bit. The part itself looks great though. Made another attempt here. This time I printed it with no raft, so let's see. That is a nice print for no raft. The holes came out clean. The pressure points came out clean. This one looks a little flattened, but that's probably a problem with the model. I'm not the greatest 3D modeler. But that looks nice. So, I gotta go to work soon, but we're gonna take a look at more 3D printing. I have tons of ideas for useful things to 3D print. And we're definitely gonna get our money worth out of this machine. I know I didn't really cover the machine very well, but that's for a future video where I'm actually gonna do a full review and explanation about this machine. This is the M3D Micro 3D printer. Also, I'm gonna do a proper spool holder. That'll probably be my next print after another coffee. Anyway, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, dislike if you really want, but come on, it's a 3D printer. Have a good one, guys.